Welcome to my YouTube channel, a place where I discuss issues that centers on family, postnatal depression, mental health, self-love, travels, food, and lifestyle. Today, I'm dropping a weekly affirmation. I live more, I act more. I am unstoppable. I am confident. It doesn't matter what others says in me. I am confident. I am firm. I do not fit into societal constructs. Yes, I do me. I do not fit into shoes that people have dropped for me to enter. I construct my own shoe and fit into it because I am me. There's no other blessing. I am favored. I am loved. I preserve myself from toxic people. I set boundaries. Lines are falling for me in pleasant places. I am wonderfully made. I am beautiful. I am a unique being. I am a wonderful person. To have a pleasant, wonderful week ahead. My name is Blessing Makonjola. Bye.